In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and enable notes in Microsoft Teams chat. Open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app, then go straight to chat from the left sidebar. From here, open the group chat where you want to keep shared notes with your team. This feature works best in a group chat because everyone in that conversation can refer back to the same notes later. Once the chat is open, look to the top right area of the chat window and click the Notes icon. As soon as you do that, the Notes panel will open on the right side of the screen. This is the shared space where you can add meeting ideas, action items, reminders, or quick team updates without leaving the conversation. Click inside the Notes area and start by typing a heading. Make the heading clear and easy to scan, something that tells everyone what these notes are about. When you finish the heading, press Enter to move down to a new line. Now begin typing your bullet points for the notes. Add the first point, then press Enter after that line to create the next item. Continue the same way for each note you want to include. Keeping each thought on its own line makes the notes easier to read, especially when several people come back to them later. If you want to assign something to a teammate, type the @ symbol in the notes area. A list of people from the chat will appear. Choose the colleague you want from the drop-down list. Then continue typing the task message right after their name. Be specific so the task is easy to understand when they see it later. When you mention someone this way, that task can be sent to Microsoft To Do or Planner, which is helpful for tracking follow-up work. You can also add a checklist for items that need to be completed. In the Notes toolbar, click the plus icon, then choose Checklist from the menu. Now type the first checklist item and press Enter. Type the next item and press Enter again. Repeat that process for each task you want on the checklist. This is a simple way to turn general notes into something more actionable. When you're done, click the Close Notes icon at the top right of the chat window. Your notes save automatically, so you do not need to look for a Save button. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Anytime you want to view or update the notes again, just reopen the same group chat and click that same notes icon. The panel will open back up and everything should still be there. A good tip here is to use short headings, clean bullet points, and clear mentions so the notes stay useful instead of turning into a wall of text.